What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree and I just found some super cute new socks by Juncture. We have zebras, we have super cute giraffes. I really love these warm colors. We have cheetahs and we have birds. I think they're birds. But then we also have some name brands like Dexter for babies. We have Gildan boy socks. These are really nice. They're calling them game socks. Super nice. We also have these from Gold Toe, and then lots of Fruit of the Loom socks. Dollar Tree just keeps coming out with so many cute socks. I think these polka dot ones are new as well, and those and these. We have Argyle. So many cute socks. I think these are new for the week as well. The Sparkle Shop scrunchies. They're really silky and nice. Let's see what else. These might be new. I'm not sure. I think they are. These little troll headbands. We also have the barrettes. These are brand new. The cat ears are brand new. I have some brand new things in my cart as well. The e.l.f. foundation is new. The e.l.f. jelly highlighter is new. The Maybelline foundation stick is brand new. And also the vitamin C serum is brand new. We also have e.l.f. lashes, e.l.f. eyeliner, like makeup brushes, and a couple other new items from e.l.f. This color's so pretty. I really like it. I really like it. Okay, let's go down this aisle. Excuse me. We have lots of shower curtain liners, microfiber washcloths. What's this? Belly Up paper mask. Belly Love. Makes your belly appear moisturized and smoother. This is my first time I've ever seen a belly mask. I've seen the foot masks. I've seen the hair masks. I've seen the booty masks. I've seen the lip masks, a lot of different masks, but this is definitely the first time I've ever seen a tummy mask. That's so cute. Okay, now is when we have to move really slow and try to find all the new items. If you guys don't have a Dollar Tree in your area, but you have a Family Dollar in your area, they have recently added a lot of these global beauty care items, the moisturizers, the serums. I don't think they have the eye cream, but they have a lot of these items there as well because they are the sister store. But my store is nice and stocked up on the serum. This is the multivitamin serum. I think this Pond's might be new as well. This is a light moisturizer by Pond's. Vitamin E and glycerin, 2.53 ounces. Hairspray. All of our shampoos and conditioners by brands like Suave, VO5, Silkience. Okay, let's see what's over here. We still have the Suave Lever 2000 and Lady Speed Stick brands of body washes, if you guys are looking for name brands. We also have White Rain, Dermasil, We have a couple options in the Lever 2000, the Sweet Pea, the original. I haven't seen the sandalwood in this location. Oh, here it is. Not sandalwood, cedarwood. I wonder what this is. What's this? Mystery box. It's mystery box. Oh, the rose and rhubarb soaps are back. That's definitely an interesting combo. It smells really nice though. All of the hand soaps. Whoa, my store is super stocked up with hand soap and hand sanitizer. We have the milk and golden honey soft soaps. We also have the Soothing Clean. And we have lots of Nouvelle soaps. Also at Family Dollar, I've been seeing more and more Nouvelle products, everything from lotions to astringents to sort of a dupe for higher end skincare. Here's a lotion, 16.9 ounces. And these are still here, you guys, the 3-in-1 foaming body wash, shampoo, and conditioners. The Diabetics Hydrating Lotion. Dr. Dre from YouTube, the dermatologist, she recommends this lotion for everyone. She says the Diabetics Hydrating Lotions are like really good. They're like super hydrating. The Suave lotions are here, 3 ounces. Lots and lots of lotions. And then we have lots of powders. We have all talc-free powders, deodorant, another one, a different scent. We have fresh scent. We have regular scent. We have Arm & Hammer foot powder. We have a talc-free foot powder here. Yet another one. We have a foot powder spray and a Perfect Purity medicated body powder. This is definitely a dupe. This is a big container, you guys. Look at this. Whoa. 32 ounces. The brand is Luxury Men. This is the same brand that makes the fragrances. This is a 3-in-1, so it's a body wash, a shampoo, and a conditioner. That's a really big bottle. We have even more name brand body washes, Speed Stick and Zest. And then we have some dupe shaving creams here. This Luxury Men Shave Gel, once again, the Luxury brand that makes the fragrances. This is a dupe for Edge Sensitive Skin Shave Gel. It's a 5-ounce container. Also brand new is a 12-ounce shave cream in Sensitive. I think I'd like to get a couple of these. Oh, so we have Sensitive and we have regular. These are both brand new for the week. And then of course we have even more name brands down here. Arm & Hammer seems to always be here. This is the 3-in-1. And then we have Zest Simply as well. And these are back as well. The Liquid Putties by Garnier, the Shine and Hold, the Matte and Messy, and the Natural Look. One last thing I wanted to share with you guys are the hydrogen peroxide, and they're really big, 32 ounces. And then we have some more mouthwash over here. I'm thinking it's Overstock. Wow, I can't get over how many shower curtains we have here. I always love to hunt on the hygiene aisle with you guys. We never know what we're gonna find. You always just kind of have to take your time and look around. But yeah, the belly mask, definitely cute. This wins the cute award. But all right, you guys, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.